YouTubians, how's it going? Bring you another CLIPAZINE. This one is a 10 round 7.62x39 10 rounder. You guys can see. Let's take one out at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 around. So let me get you guys to look at it nice and close. This is a Romanian AK double stack AK-47 CLIPAZINE. You guys to see all the details, the follower, the back. This one really doesn't have any stampings or anything like other magazines, but you can tell by the bottom, the reinforced comes all the way to the bottom of the floor. I'm gonna take this apart and show you what it looks like on the inside. All right, so we're gonna show you what it looks like from the inside. So nothing too spectacular on the inside. Very sturdy magazine, in my opinion. You guys can see down there the side plates on it. The weld marks on it. Nothing on the side of the ribs, and nothing on the side of the rear locking lug. So looking at the follower, check that out. Top, the sides, nothing on the inside that I was able to distinguish, and the bottom of it and the top. I don't believe this one has any stampings like some of the Russians mag. Very sturdy spring. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the floor plate. Nothing, no marks, no stampings of that. But this shows you a 10 round CLIPAZINE. Very nice for zeroing or at the bench. So definitely a good magazine, very durable. So there it is. This is a Romanian 10 round CLIPAZINE 7.62x39. As always, guys, many more stuff to come, many more mags on the way. Just a waiting period, just a process that it takes for me to receive them. So with that being said, appreciate the love and support. Any questions or anything, any comments, leave them down below, please, and I will get back to them. So as always, guys, take care and stay safe.